if you're staying in Canggu and you want to go for a coffee, then Hungry Bird is basically an institution in the Pantai Berawa area. Now, just to give you an idea of where Hungry Bird is, this is Jalan Pantai Berawa, and Fins is at the end. Fins Beach Club is at the end of this road down here, and Berawa is that way, the central Berawa area, and Canggu is that way. So this is quite smack bang in the middle if you're staying in Canggu and you want to get a coffee or some food. I'll show you what it's like inside. We're at Christmas now and it's in the afternoon, but it's pretty busy, as you can see. Everyone's got their face masks on, and it's a buzzy little cafe this. It's all happening here. They've got a great menu, and really you come here for the coffee. And I'll give you an idea of the menu. You can get pancakes, you can get, you've got a breakfast menu with fruit, you've got your oats, you've got your salads, you've got your eggs, you've got noodle dishes for lunch, you've got sandwiches and burgers, so it's really a happening place. So if you want to rent a Canggu villa, obviously book through Bali Villa Escapes, and if you want to go for a great coffee, definitely come to Hungry Bird in Canggu.